When your refrigerator stops working, one of the first questions homeowners ask is, should I choose affordable refrigerator repair or premium refrigerator repair? While saving money is important, the cheapest option isn't always the best value. In this episode, ProStar Appliance Repair explains the real differences between affordable and premium refrigerator repair services in San Antonio and Austin. Affordable refrigerator repair is often ideal for simple issues like thermostat replacements, minor cooling problems, or older refrigerators nearing the end of their lifespan. These services focus on quick diagnostics, budget-friendly solutions, and getting your appliance working again without a major investment. For many homeowners, affordable repair can be the smartest choice when the problem is straightforward. Premium refrigerator repair services focus on deeper diagnostics and long-term reliability. Certified technicians use advanced tools to identify the root cause of complex cooling issues, compressor failures, electrical faults, and recurring refrigerator problems. Premium services often include longer warranties and specialized expertise that can help prevent future breakdowns. Many homeowners focus only on the repair price. However, the real question is value. An inexpensive repair that fails a few months later may cost more than a premium repair completed correctly the first time. At ProStar Appliance Repair, our technicians help homeowners understand all available options, allowing them to make informed decisions based on appliance age, repair costs, and long-term performance expectations. Whether you need an affordable refrigerator repair or a premium refrigerator repair solution, ProStar Appliance Repair provides transparent pricing, certified technicians, same-day and next-day service, and repairs for all major refrigerator brands. Serving Austin and San Antonio, our team helps homeowners find the most practical and cost-effective solution for every refrigerator problem. If your KitchenAid oven isn't performing the way it should, don't wait for the problem to become worse. Early repairs often prevent larger failures and help extend the life of your appliance. At ProStar Appliance Repair, we're proud to provide reliable KitchenAid oven repair throughout Austin and surrounding areas. Reliable, local, done right. Call today to schedule your service appointment.